This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3210BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, external shower, smoke detector, TV, oven, leveling jacks, Colorado Detector, LP detector, stove top burner, slideout, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3210BH is 8,394 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.